everyone. In case you were wondering, this is exactly what it looks like.
Yep, we're putting a flag up for Veterans Day. Forever.
Alright, what if that's not what
This is the right way, right?
Huh?
Stars on this side?
Yeah, they go up top.
then I...
Well, we can bring it further up.
Three guys on the roof, putting up the flag. About to have a memorial service for y'all if one of y'all fall.
What?
America!
The viewers can finish that way.
Get a gold one.
Oh, Lance, you're about to bring the cool.
Not American if you ain't got a beard in your hand.
Without the boys?
No,
I was about to say.
He's about to bring a cold one without the boys? That's not very American of you. Oh, yes.
Your hat's not very American.
We will not commit sin.
Flag shall not touch the ground.
If it does, I'm just wondering who's gonna take that silver bullet.
You talking about the bear?
Huh?
The bear?
No.
I know you're talking about this one.
No, okay.
Sweet! Hey, how we look?
It's fine. It ain't crooked if that's what you're asking.
Good.
You guys are so patriot.
Yeah, I'm trying to knock so it don't slip off.
Sorry, man, straight.
1, 2, 3, 4.
It's looking pretty sweet.
There's like one veteran up there.
2.
Who? There's just one.
I'm a veteran too, damn it.
You're active.
So,
Not a veteran.
I've dodged 2 bullets, man.
Can you get your veteran benefits right now?
Yeah.
No, you can't.
I can, actually.
Can you get your VA benefits right now?
I already am 21.
You can go right now to the VA and start getting benefits. VA and federal are waiting.
Not 10th basketball. No, sir.
Yeah, no,
I'll
see,
wait to
like, I
collect
made
my
the
check.
joke before, I was like, hey, look at this, look at me. Went through trash can, I completely missed, and I'm like, this is exactly why I don't play it.
Okay, so this thing called heights, right? I'm on.
That I don't do. So
No.
Or we're just gonna jump?
No.
No,
It
that's
doesn't
not.
look like that's what he's doing. He's like, I'm
technically, you
only-
could jump and you will be all right, except for the guy with bad
Incorrect.
knees. Yeah, because you jump off that, your knees are gone. They're gonna be in your throat.
I already ain't got no knees.
Hey, Kurt, he doesn't worry about it.
This is how you should get down from a unlikely place, right?
Yeah, he says that and then he like slides and falls down the ladder, and I'm just gonna be like, really? Cut and edit that, please.
Only took us 5 minutes. Looking pretty nice over there. Scoot that out of the way real quick.
What, the car?
No.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Looks pretty good.
Oh, yeah.
America.
Hey, Dad, guess what? I work at 3:45 today, and it's currently 2.
Alright, so from Otaku Designs, Pinnacle Auto Works, Happy Veterans Day, y'all.
I know we're not gonna be here.
We represent.